What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We got this package here from Trask. Thank you from Get Lowered Cycles. This is actually the air filter that goes on the Trask Assult intake. So I don't really like to clean it. I'd just rather just buy a new one because it doesn't look as fresh as if you clean it. It's still gonna look dark. So we're gonna open up the package and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, so we're gonna open up the package here. Looking fresh. I love fresh filter, look at that. Look at the difference. You got some Trask stickers there. Like I said, I wanna thank Get Lowered Cycles for coming through real quick with the delivery. Check it out, I'm gonna show you the difference. Look at that. There's like no comparison. This thing is like fresh. That's black, dirty, and this one's nice. I don't know, it looks like a reddish color, reddish pink, but definitely recommend getting a new filter. Stop playing people. Get Lowered Cycles and buy yourself a new filter. So let's install this puppy. All right, there you go, side-by-side comparison. Look at the difference in clean and dirty. So we're gonna put this puppy on here. And also make sure, while you're in here, get some, get this cleaned out. You never know, some loose oil, whatever. But definitely get it cleaned out. We're gonna put this puppy right there. Should stick on right real quick. And then we're gonna bolt on the front part. All right, that's it, guys. This is a quick little install on the filter from Trask. Very easy install. Like I said, just takes 3 nuts right here, 1, 2, and then 3. Make sure you don't tighten it that well because otherwise you'll strip it. But other than that, look at that, it's looking fresh. Look good, Trask all the way, baby. All right, thank you guys for watching. Short video here, guys. Like, subscribe, and then let me know what you think about this new filter here. All right, peace.